Why carry 3 or 4 products when you only need one? S, the Swiss Army knife of wrap solutions, a collaboration between the experts at the Wrap Institute and P&S. S stands for Slip, Slide, and Shine. Slip is for prep. S is a tack reducer. Use it for commercial, color change, and PPF. It helps make picking up the wrap film on box trucks easy, eliminates sanding and adhesive lines for color change, and silvering for PPF. Slide is for install. Spray S on the buffer so it glides easily across the surface. No more scratches and faster applications thanks to S. And Shine is for aftercare. Wipe any surface down with S. Protects matte and satin finishes and enhances gloss. It can even be used on windows for a streak-free finish and the interior of the vehicle. S. Quality installers can feel, customers can see. Buy S at Sign Gear today.